中华模课时，基础华语见。
Week 1, Unit 0, Course Introduction. 你好，我是傅老师。Welcome to Fundamental Chinese. Now, let's start with a short introduction about our course. We are going to spend 9 weeks on this course. From week 1 to week 4, we are going to build a good foundation of Chinese pinyin and pronunciation. Besides that, we will also learn some basic Chinese expressions like self-introduction, preferences for food and drink, and talking about hobbies and shopping. During week 5 to week 7, we will learn some useful conversation, including the topics of meeting new friends, talking about family members, and having a meal in a restaurant. In week 8, I will show you how to type in Chinese. Besides that, we will go a little deeper into Chinese characters, and I will show you a smart way to master the characters. In week 9, there is an online final exam, through which you can evaluate your present Chinese ability to see how good you are. There are 4 to 5 units in each week's lesson, except for week 8 and week 9. Each unit comes with a video. Start your learning by watching the video. Then please download the papers to review everything you just learned. Scan the QR code on the paper to do more practice using the Quizlets if it's necessary. If you need, you can watch the video several times until you feel comfortable. When you finish a unit, move on to the next one. After finishing all of the 4 to 5 units, it's time to do the online test. There will be 8 tests in total. The tests from week 1 to week 7 share the same form. 40% for listening, 30% for reading, another 30% for speaking. For the speaking test, you have to record your answer and upload it. The test for week 8 is unique, which is a typing test plus a challenging but interesting test of Chinese characters. You will find out when you get there. Now let's talk about how to study in this course, including vocabulary, grammar, and dialogue. I will use the 3-round or 4-round method to make the learning easier. In the vocabulary section, all the new words will be read 3 times. For the first time, they will be read slowly. All you have to do is to listen. For the second time, the speed is still slow, but this time, after each word is read, there will be a pause for you to repeat. For the third time, it will be at normal speed. When you are hearing these words, try to connect the sound, the meaning, and the Chinese characters together. In the grammar section, first, you will hear the key word of the grammar twice. Then you will hear 3 sentences using this grammar. Each sentence will be read 3 times. For the first time, they will be read slowly. When you listen to the recording, read the pinyin of the sentence on the screen at the same time. After hearing it, there will be a pause for you to repeat the sentence. For the second time, the speed is still slow. This time, you will see the English translation of the sentence on the screen. After it is read, repeat it in the same way. For the third time, it will be in normal speed, and you will see the Chinese characters of the sentence on the screen. After hearing it, try to repeat the sentence for the third time. In the dialogue section, you will hear the dialogue 4 times. For the first time, the dialogue will be read at slow speed and come with English translations. Listen carefully and try to understand the whole dialogue. For the second time, the dialogue comes with the pinyin. After each sentence, there is a pause for you to practice. Please listen and speak out loud with the help of the pinyin. For the third time, the dialogue will be read at normal speed. After each sentence, there is a pause for you to repeat. This time, there is no pinyin to help, so you have to listen carefully and practice. For the fourth time, the dialogue comes with Chinese characters. Try to read the characters when you listen to the dialogue. There is another special design in this course. From week 2 to week 8, the first unit in each week is for review. But it's not the boring stuff like you usually see. I will use the content you just learned from the previous week to create a dialogue for you to do the review. There are 7 episodes in total. 7 episodes together is a love story. Make sure you don't miss one. That's about it. I hope you enjoy your learning. There is only one way to do well when you learn a new language, which is to have fun and keep practicing every day. See you